Dude, and it pisses me off because they're both fine as hell, man.
Well, I feel you on that one, bro. That's crazy. You guys want another beer or what?
I'll take one.
Yeah. You?
Yeah, I'm down.
Got you guys.
Hey, bless you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
It's going in. It's going in. Yeah. Cool.
Dude, I used to be sick back in the day, bro. But then, you know, like, I broke my finger, so, you know.
What does breaking your finger have to do with anything?
Because, you know, it messes with, like, the aerodynamics when I sprint, you know, just, you know. The air, you know, doesn't run as smooth as it used to, you know. Wait, hold on.
Hey, bless you.
As I was saying.
Dude, back in my prime, I was able to run 100 meters in 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Really, bro. Come on. Dude, trust me on everything.
But, you know, my pinky, so. Bless you. I beat you so.
Thank you. Bless you.
Alright, man. Well, I gotta go. I gotta go report to the wifey, you know?
You'll never catch me like that. You never catch me hitting no fucking sprung up on a girl, bro.
Trust me.
Nah.
On everything, once you get a girl, it's all over.
Yeah, I don't know about that, bro. Whatever. Anyway, bro, I gotta bounce.
Alright, for sure. Later, man.
Thanks.
Later.
Hey!
Dude, you almost gave me a heart attack, man.
What you did back there was kind of disrespectful.
What?
When you bless Hans. I'm the one that blesses in the group.
Dude, it's not that serious.
It's not that serious? You don't think it's serious? How do you not find it serious?
Dude, I don't know. I mean, I'm not really religious, so I mean, dude, nothing really happens when you say bless you.
What do you mean?
Dude, I mean, I don't know. It's a cultural habit that society picked up. It's not that important.
So you mean I've just been blessing people for nothing my whole life? I've been feeling like a hero.
No, man, you just been wasting your breath. I gotta go, man. I'll talk to you later.
And then I told her, I came to bring your daughter some hot Cheetos! I'm fucking wild, bro. I'm wild. Oh, hold up.
Hans!
Socorro!
Hans! Socorro! No! Oh my God, he's having a heart attack! No! I miss you, bro.
Why did you say bless you? He's dead because of you. Why? Why did you say bless you? Murdered him.